Perfectly cooked. What's going on, guys? I'm Wolf, and welcome to another episode of Foodie Moody, where we cook the foods that we're in the mood for. Alright, but as you guys can tell, it's just me today. Maya's not here to help me cook. She's with her mother running some errands, but that's alright. We're just gonna make this happen. I miss her, but we're gonna try to make this happen. One man team, one man show. So I know it's been a minute since I've dropped a video. My bad. I'm about to graduate in like 40 days. So I've been focusing on school. We'll be right back to making these videos. So today I'm going to be making some tilapia, easy tilapia dish with a side of broccoli, maybe some carrots. See what we got in the fridge. But let's get right to it. Alright, so first things first, we got some broccoli florets here. Just gonna cut these up, dice them up, put them in the bowl. So let me go ahead and do that right now. And let me see if I have some carrots. Probably add some carrots to that. Alright guys, so I did find some carrots in the fridge. So we're just gonna dice these up real quick. Little pieces, not too thick, so they can cook fast. Sorry if it's not focusing, guys. Like I said, it's a one-man team. We usually have my wife behind the camera, and we're gonna try to make it happen. You guys get the point. Dice these up. Get these ready to go to get roasted in the oven. Oh, go ahead and preheat your oven at 450. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. That way it'll be ready to go. My oven's already preheated. I don't know about y'all, but roasted broccoli is literally my favorite side. I can eat that every day. It's so easy, so tasty, and healthy. Let's get it. Alright guys, next step. Again, y'all know, mild and sweet rice vinegar. Get this kind. Right? Olive oil and salt. That's it for this. So what I do is I put some olive oil, probably 2 tablespoons, or just enough so it can get roasted. And you take some rice wine vinegar, another 2 tablespoons. Alright. And I like to use kosher salt. I like coarse salt so I can see how much I put. Alright, that's about a tablespoon salt. Let me go ahead and mix this up. Oops. Mix this up, mix this up. And what I do is get to the bottom of the bowl and taste to see if it has a nice flavor, nice seasoning. And I can taste the salt with the mild and sweet rice vinegar. Perfect combination. Alright, next step is to get your pan. I wish I had one ready. Alright, pan right here. I'll spray it just a little bit, just so it don't stick. Put my veggies on here. Alright, and off to the oven. Oven for, I don't know, about 20 minutes. Let's see, yeah, 450 for 20 minutes. Alright, and halfway through, shake it up. Let's get it. Bow! Alright guys, so now while the veggies is in the oven, we're going to prepare this sauce that's going to go on top of the tilapia. Real simple sauce. A few ingredients that you're going to need. Soy sauce, alright? A lemon, so we're going to get some lemon juice off of it. You can use this one or some lemon juice that you got in the fridge or whatever. Dill and what else? Brown sugar. Alright, real simple guys, alright? First things first, you put about, I don't know, depending on how much you're cooking, so I'm just gonna say a 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Alright. Then we're to put about a half to 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. So this is also depending on your taste buds. If you want it a little bit sweet, put a little bit more. Alright. So what we're gonna do here, and nextly we get lemon juice. Alright. I start off with just half a lemon depending on the size of the lemon. This is a big one, so I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice in here. Alright. And then I'm going to go ahead and whisk this up. Find a spoon. Of course, all my spoons are dirty. Every last one of them. Alright. Grab your spoon. Go ahead and dissolve the sugar in the soy sauce and lemon juice. Now I'm going to go ahead and taste this. Alright, so the flavor that you should be getting, of course, is the soy sauce flavor with the acidity of the lemon juice and the sweetness of the brown sugar. Alright, go ahead and just dissolve it a little bit more. And lastly, you grab some dill. And this gives it that dill sour, dill pickle taste. I mean, that's the best way to describe it. I'm gonna just dice up some dill in here. Dice up just a little bit of dill. Alright. Mix that in. This is amazing sauce. Alright, set this aside. Off to the tilapia. Alright, for the tilapia, real simple. We're just gonna lightly season it with salt and pepper. That's it, because all your flavor is gonna come from that sauce we made. So don't over season it. Don't put too much salt. I did before, and it was a little bit too salty. Pepper on that thing. I like a lot of pepper, man. What's the problem? I just like the way it looks, man. It makes your food look official. It's a little key to y'all people that don't like to cook or don't know how to cook. You want your food to look good? Throw some pepper on that thing. Pepper and parsley. Two things that'll make your food look professional. Alright, flip this over. Salt, not too much. Pepper. And go ahead and add some oil to your pan. Put that thing on high. The key for tilapia for me that I've noticed is to make my pan nice and hot initially, and it will turn it down. But to make it nice and hot, because tilapia love to break when you're trying to flip it. So if you make it nice and hot, make sure it has a nice sear on the back side, you won't have a problem flipping it. Alright. Put that in there. Let it do its thing, about 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to go ahead and flip it. Alright. So after I set it in there, I go ahead and turn it down after 1 minute. Turn it down to about medium high. Let it do its thing. Another 2 minutes. Garlic cloves. This will save your life easy. Alright, nice and minced. Let's see it. Nice and roasted. There we go. Butter. And add it to your dish. A little bit of butter. And then you grab that sauce that you made. Go ahead and put it on there. Let that reduce a little bit. Grab your minced garlic, put it in there, and be careful. Go ahead and pull it up on the side. Right here, and cover up your tilapia. Get that in there. Y'all don't understand. Try this sauce. Plenty of flavor. When I tell you this recipe is to die for, so much flavor. And you just let it reduce for another minute. Really, the tilapia is cooked. I just like to let my sauce get a little bit thicker from the sugar. Yeah, some of you guys are like, oh my god, it's a lot of garlic. Hold on, let me show you. It is a lot of garlic, but look at this. Look how good that looks. Now when you see it bubbling, having like a lot of little bubbles, it's ready. Go ahead and turn it off. You don't want to burn your garlic. See how that thickened up? Now just let it sit. Let it sit and rest. Time to go plate. Yep, and there you have it, guys. Look at this tilapia. Doesn't look good. Look at my roasted broccoli. Look at this meal. Super simple. Let's look at how it looks. Perfectly cooked. Oh wow. Oh wow. Perfectly seasoned. Look at that. So good. But anyways, there you have it, guys. Super easy to make. Anybody can make it. If you like what you see, guys, you know, like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. And hopefully I'll post again soon. Peace.